Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up Google Assistant on the Honor Magic V6. So first, what are we going to do is we're going to make sure that we have Wi-Fi enabled and that we are connected to a network. Once you have the network and you're connected to it, what are we going to do is we're simply going to go over and hold the power button until you see sign in to use Gemini. Now this is our way to enter the settings of our Google Assistant. Here we're gonna click sign in, and as you guys can see, we have to verify that it's us trying to get into the login page. Now we're gonna enter our email, and once we enter the email, we have to enter the password. So I'll see you guys in a second once I do it. Now we select who will be using this device. We're gonna click next and click on I agree. Now we can use biometrics to verify purchases. Of course, it's totally up to you. You can turn on the backup. Here we have the Meet Gemini, your personal AI assistant. As you guys can see, we're gonna click use Gemini, and now it is working. So it's pretty simple. All you have to do is sign in into your Google account. Now as you guys can see, it is working, and it's working in multiple languages. So we can say something in German, for example. We can say something in Polish. We can say something in a lot of examples. So as you guys can see, we got it. And now what we can do here is we can go over and for example, nearest McDonald's with a drive-through. So now we're gonna send it, and it should have our location services. It is connecting to the Google Maps, and now it will tell me everything. As you guys can see, we got the addresses. Now open maps and put let's see if it works. Put the address in. So it might work. It may be just glitchy, but as you guys can see, here we can select the places. And we're gonna go with the first one. And now it is connecting. As you guys can see, I'm gonna skip it and click on allow. And it's giving me the location. So it's a 14-minute drive, and that's basically how it works. So thank you for watching. That's how you guys can set up your Google Assistant. Thank you for watching again. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.